How to see other viewers on Facebook story. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can see other viewers on Facebook story. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. First thing first is you need to open your Facebook app. After that, log in into your account and you should be able to see this homepage on your screen. So what you're gonna do is simply head over to your profile at the top right, and here you should be able to see this gear icon very easily. Just simply tap on it, and when you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see the stories option under audience and visibility. Simply tap on the stories option, and here you can see watching your stories and very other options. So what you're gonna do is, who can see your stories, you can see this. What you're gonna do is simply tap on it, and you can see this public or friends or anyone friends accept this. So what you're gonna do is set up this custom and click the people here, and after that simply click on done, and after that watch you click on save. And whenever you post a story, what happens is you will be able to know who views your stories. So if you have selected 4% on that story, you will be able to see those 4% have viewed your story, and you can know the name of those particular people just like that. So therefore just follow the steps, and you may just do it, or you may just set it to other audience as well, and see who views the story very easily. So therefore just follow the steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.